I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to stop the automatic photo backup now, so first confirm which Google account is in use and open Google Photos on your device or desktop. Once open, go straight to Settings and tap Backup and Sync. This is the single toggle controlling automatic uploads. Turn that toggle off to immediately stop new photos from uploading. Make sure you've selected the correct account if you have multiple. Otherwise, you might disable the wrong backup and still see uploads from another profile. Once Backup and Sync is off, stop device-level syncing so the app can't restart uploads. On Android, open Device Settings accounts Google, choose the account, and turn off Photos or Drive Sync. On iPhone, disable Background App Refresh for Google Photos and confirm the app has no permission to access your camera roll for uploading. If the app keeps backing up, revoke storage or photos permissions in the OS and relaunch the app to ensure the changes take effect. Now, if you want to remove already uploaded photos, go to Photos. Google.com or Google Drive, select the items and delete them or use Trash to remove backups. If duplicates or continued uploads appear, sign out of Google Photos, remove any secondary accounts from your device, then sign back in only to the account you want. If uploads still resume, clear the app cache, reinstall Google Photos, and reboot the device. If problems persist, check that no third-party app has Drive/Photos access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.